Stuck on activating your iPhone or could not activate iPhone? Check your Wi-Fi connection first. If it doesn't work, try to restart your iPhone and retry. Or go to Apple website to check system status. If iOS device activation is green, it means you can activate your iPhone. Try to use iTunes to activate your iPhone. Ensure your iTunes is the latest version. If it shows setup as a new iPhone or restore from this backup, it means iTunes has activated your iPhone. Last is to use iCloud. Sign into iCloud. Choose Find iPhone. Click All Devices. Select your iPhone. Click Erase iPhone. And confirm.